meMiner on a beautiful little beach that has Jasper. What do you want? Oh, you have a stick. Here. Good girl. Started to rain. We'll have to be quick about it. That might be nice. I think it's gonna rain really hard. So maybe I'll come back out when it's done. I should see better colors on these rocks if they're wet. It already looks good, but let's reveal. I'm loving it. Okay, let's get our slice. And here we are out of the thaw. Very interesting slice. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. It's still wet, but wet's what it's going to look like when it's polished to 1500 grit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.